had blood work in a chair like this before. It's like, you can take a nap in it. It's awesome. I don't know which vein they're gonna use. This arm is shot. And maybe this one. Who knows? Man. I'm so over getting poked today. Thanks, Mom. We're at the zoo today. She's rapping.
Well, why not?
No, the one in the she goes again. The one in the hammock is like.
Mom, don't jump in there. Mom, you're gonna get 8. Won't hurt you.
Oh, look. Babies.
Oh my goodness, you guys, look. How sweet is that? Guys, look, there's a nest of eggs. Whoa.
I know she's got the food.
Oh my goodness. I'm gonna get a selfie with a... Hello. You wanna get a selfie with me? No? What do you think about this park, Mom?
It's fun. There's a bunch of them.
Yeah, there is. Look at that one right there.
Hey, wait for me. I'm coming.
Guys, we're gonna play a game of Price is Right. Don't show the price tag yet. How much would you guys think that blazer is? All right, ready? Ready for the price tag? All right. $595.
Wow.
How about them pants, Mom?
Some nice blingy pants.
What do we think? How much are those?
Ready?
Uh-huh. Nice. Pair of nice black jeans. What is the price tag on that, Mom? $99.
230.
For what? I have the same pants. I got them at Walmart for $19.99. Okay.
Just being in the building.
I'm not sure that I belong in this
I know
store.
I don't belong
I'm
in
so
this.
cheap. Okay. Price is Right. Nice, cute jeans. swear I have the same pair probably. Pull that out, Liz.
$235.
$235. Y'all,
Come
for a
on.
pair of blue jeans.
I do not belong in here.
Let's go look
I
at that.
really like
Let's
that
go look
jacket.
at it. What jacket? That one?
I like that jacket.
These shoes right here. Mom, how much do you think they are?
I'm guessing $900.
All right, let's see.
$930.
What? Oh my goodness. So today we started our day at the zoo,
Yes.
and that was a lot of fun. And then after that, what did we do after that? We ate lunch.
We ate lunch.
And then after that, we decided to go to a mall. What would you like to say about that mall?
I didn't belong in that mall.
It wasn't in the mall per se. It was some of the shops in the mall.
Very expensive.
So plans for tomorrow, I don't know. But Monday, 8 a.m. biopsy.
Yeah, so tomorrow I think is going to be a rest up and do not much of anything day.
Mm-hmm.
Hang out and maybe sit outside at the picnic table or something.
Mm-hmm. Speaking of that, I think tomorrow night, so what is tomorrow, the 8th? Is tomorrow the 8th? Yeah,
Yep.
tomorrow's the 8th.
Yeah.
So, what time zone is this?
Central.
Okay. So, let's say 6 p.m. Central Time Zone. I'll go live around that time. So, if you guys want to talk to me and ask me questions, tomorrow, which is March 8th at 6 p.m. Central Time. Okay.
Set your alarm so you don't forget.
I'll set my alarm so I don't forget. Look at her being all motherly.
It's what I do best.
I know, well. So we can talk about the biopsy some more. But yeah, 8 a.m. Monday morning, having the biopsy. They say it's gonna be about an hour procedure.
Procedure is about an hour in recovery. So by 10, you should be coming out of recovery and seeing how you're doing, and then we will make decisions at that point whether we go home or not.
We're gonna go home. They're like, you should stay until Tuesday, blah-de-da-de-da. Listen,
If you're feeling like crap,
here she goes.
we'll stay. If you're
Where are we gonna stay at?
I can always,
Our hotel reservation's up tomorrow or Monday morning.
well, I can tell them I need a room.
Yeah. So, they'd like me to stay till Tuesday. They said, we can't, force you to stay, but there's always complications like there is, or, there could be complications like any procedure. So, I think, like, they're such a good hospital anyways. I really don't think they're...
I don't think there's going to be any complications or anything like that. I just think that they're just taking all the precautions, and they want you to be. They're just being cautious.
I know. I'm just so ready to go home. So why is a simple needle biopsy going to take so long? Would you like to explain that one? Why?
Because I'm still a little confused on it myself.
So basically they said the trigeminal nerve is where it's inflamed and tracking along. It's very close to the brainstem. So they got to be very slow and careful because they don't want to mess with anything by my brain.
Basically.
They did tell me that I shouldn't have any permanent damage or anything. Obviously, there are the risks associated.
No, there's risks with everything. You can get a tooth pulled and there's risks. So.
Yeah, but my doctor in Indianapolis, well, first, like the surgical procedure, he was like, yeah, it's going to leave you permanent damage.
Right.
And then
The needle biopsy,
needle
he
was
wouldn't
a
even
no.
touch it.
Nope.
He just flat out said, nope, not
No,
doing
we're
it.
not doing that. Because it's so close to the brain. So anyways, that's all. All right. We will talk to you guys later.
Bye.
Bye.